What's up everybody, DIYB Sim Racing here. It is season 2 and we are kicking things off by showing you this crazy garage behind me and giving you a full tour of our DIY sim racing rig. Let's get into it. Alright, welcome back, and for those that are new to the channel, my name is Brandon. This is DIYB Sim Racing, where we showcase immersive sim racing experiences with a DIY spin to it. You'll find us pretty much on Assetto Corsa, also some Forza Horizon, and we might be getting into Forza Motorsport when it comes out, but we'll see how things go. For today's episode, we're going to start things off by showing you this garage behind me. The people over at CR Formula were kind enough to sponsor this episode and give us this new environment to host season 2 in. So big props to them, and yeah, let's check it out in a little more detail. Big thanks to CR Formula, and we'll be continuing to work with them on projects in the future. Next on the list is getting into the tour of the sim rig. So this was something I have put off. I think it's time to just get into it. You know, I haven't ever showed the rig off in its entirety, and it's a great thing. You know, spent a lot of time working on it, just making it what it is with very minimal cost into it. And I think the key takeaway is that you could build something like this yourself if you just got nothing at your disposal, but maybe a saw and some lumber in your garage. You could build something just like this. All right, well, let's hop over to the rig and take a look. Starting things off, the core of the rig is a Logitech G920 with an Action Raceworks adapter to fit the genuine Momo steering wheel. Behind that, you'll find the 3D wrap magnetic paddle adapters and carbon fiber paddle extensions. Moving down to the pedals, you'll find a stripped Logitech G920 pedal set with the 3D wrap GT brake mod, as well as their potentiometer kit. Moving over to the shifter, the Logitech H-pattern shifter, outfitted with a Momo aluminum shift knob, and inside the 3D wrap carbon fiber V2 mod cambio. Additionally, a keyboard with labeled hotkeys. Race data is provided on this 10-inch tablet using the Sim Dashboard app. The screen is an LG 55-inch NanoCell. The seat is actually a gaming style office chair with the pedestal removed. Below, an inverted Logitech subwoofer providing haptic feedback similar to what a butt kicker would provide. Just behind that, a Logitech C920 taking care of covering the pedal area. For the main camera, we are using a Panasonic GH2 with a 14 to 42 millimeter lens, running through a 4K Mirrorbox capture card. Alright, well, that's it for this episode. A big thanks to CR Formula for hooking us up with the garage. At that, thanks for watching. If you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment if you see anything that you liked, disliked, whatever. We want to hear all the comments. So thanks again. See ya.